In this video, you will learn how to set the appropriate workspace. Workspaces are sets of commands that are grouped and organized so that you can work in a custom, task-oriented drawing environment. This is going to be a real quick recap of Workspace. Workspace is your overall look at the number of menus that you have open in Autocad and the ability to save that workspace. So initially, I think it is a good idea for us all today to have the same look. I would dock this menu bar, the command line. I'm sorry that you get the command line to the lower. If you see it disappear like this, that's actually being docked. And I was about to talk about the menu bar. And if I see that it's 0, it means it is off. In the digital world, 1 means on. And now, before, I didn't have this with menu bar. 1. I get the file edit, insert, like you see in what Microsoft Word or Excel. Then let's turn on some of the menus that we will use the most often. Click on View in the ribbon. That is what Microsoft and a lot of apps call this new section down here. It changes as you click on each one of these. And instead of being a drop-down menu like a traditional menu system and going down vertically, the ribbon actually changes the horizontal menu system. And in that ribbon, just to go to View and all the way over here to Toolbars and down to Autocad. Let's turn on 4 different menu systems: Dimension and Draw and Modify, and then lastly, turn on Object Snap. We will talk about each one of these and know that sometimes these, when they appear, they will be floating in front of drawing space right now. But sometimes it actually appears over a menu, and it is hard to really even tell if they are there, and you think I just turn it on, but it didn't show up well. It's over your menu system typically. Alright, and then each one of these you're going to put in order over onto left, right. Those are the menu systems. And then down here, just some quick keys that we will use quite a bit in order for you to get more familiar with them, especially dynamic input. I think it might be a good idea to actually turn the used icons off and so that the word will show up. Lastly, we go to Workspace and save all your workspace settings. Save current, as, and then name it. And then save. You notice I've already done that. I've got RJ Work, RJ Sample Workspace to open that up. It is very similar to what we have, but only have 2 palettes open on the side over here. Alright, that's all.